Sekhukhune United coach Lehlohonolo Seemah is planning to hit the ground running with the club. Seemah was unveiled as Babina Noko coach on Monday, replacing Brandon Truter, who parted ways with the club recently. Seemah also shocked many when he resigned as Polokwane City coach despite a promising start where he guided Rise and Shine to 6th place on the DStv Premiership table. He didn't stay long without a job after he was unveiled on Monday afternoon and said he can't wait to get started. He said, "There's obviously a lot ahead of us and therefore I have to hit the ground running. I don't want to make any promises except to offer my work ethic and dedication to the club and its supporters." Seemah joins Babina Noko, who are 11th on the log table with 14 points, and will have his work cut out to move the club up, as he will have to also focus on the CAF Confederation Cup. He also thanked Sekhukhune chairman Simon Malachi for the trust he had in him and told the media that, "I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman Simon Malachi for having afforded me an opportunity to lead the team. I'm most appreciative of how the negotiations between my management team and the club were handled in a respectable and candid manner." Babina Noko also confirmed that McDonald Makobedu returns to his position as an assistant coach. Makobedu was in charge during the 1-0 defeat to Orlando Pirates and a 2-1 victory over SuperSport United before the ongoing FIFA break. Seemah's first match in charge will be against RSB Berkane in the Confederation Cup group phase match away on Sunday at 9 p.m. Please like, comment and subscribe for more sports news.